Hello guys, welcome back to DSA series. In this video, let us see another interesting problem, that is multiplication table. Multiplication table. So let us see how to create a multiplication table by using code. So before creating multiplication table by using code, let us write a multiplication table. Let me say if I want 5 table, if I ask you to write 5 table, what you write? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are what? 21? No, 20. 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. So this is what multiplication table is. I hope you know it. I hope you know it previously. So let us see how to design it by using code. So what we are doing, we just need to print a multiplication table. For that, I need to read a number. Which table you want? Which multiplication table? Which multiplication table you want? Which multiplication table you want? That I want to ask the user, so that user want to enter his input. So let us say to store the input, I need to use a variable. I need to use a variable to store the input data. So for that, first, what I need to do, I need to read which table you want, Ray. That I want to know, na. So to read the data, to read which type of data you want, I want to use a function. What is the name? Input. Input is a function which is used to read a string, a line of string from the given input. That's it. Since the given data is what? Integer. So I need to convert the given string into integer. Actually, input function knows only reading the string data. So what we want? Actually, we want integer. So we just need to convert whatever the data that input function reads into integer by using int function. So to store the data into a container, or else we can say to store the data, we need a variable. So let me take n as a variable to store the data. So now you can tell me what I need to do. I just need to print the multiplication table for that given number. So to print multiplication table, what I'm doing? Just printing, let us print multiplication table of 5. So how do we print actually? 5 into 1 is equal to 5. In similar way, print 5 into 2 is equal to 10. That's it. In similar way, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So, in so on and so on. That I need to print till 10. Till where 5 into 10 is equal to 50. So, till here, I need to print my table. I am too lazy, yaar. I don't like to print from 5 ones or 5 to 5 tens are 50. I'd like to write a simple code. How do we do it? Is there any Python? Is there any Python statements or else keywords which will support me to print multiple statements by using a single statement? Yeah, we are having a for loop. We're having for loop. We can use loops to repeatedly print the same statement multiple times. Why these loops are used, sir, in Python? In Python, these loops are used to print or else to do the same operation multiple times. So let me use for loop to print table. How many times I am printing? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to 10. So how many times I am iterating the same thing? How many times I'm repeatedly printing the same thing? 10 times. So I just need to iterate over 10 times. So I need to write a for loop statement to iterate over 10 times. So for I in for loop will iterate over given range of sequence number of times. So let me provide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I provide like this, if I provide my data like this, then for loop will iterate over 10 times. And if I say print some print 10, then this 10 will be printed how many times? 10 times. Because first time it will iterate and 1 will be saved in I value and then 10 will be printed. Second time 2 will be saved in I value and then 10 will be printed. In similar way 3 is saved and then 10 is printed again. 4 is saved in I, 10 is printed again. Till 10 the value got saved in I, and whatever the data which is present in print statement that is got printed in Python. So now I am too lazy, sir. I don't like to write sequence like this from 1 to 10. I'd like to write a single function. I would like to use a single function. Is there any function in Python to generate the sequence from the given start to given end? Yeah, there is a function called range is used to generate a sequence from given start to end. So where do I start, sir? I want 1 till 10. So I want 1 till 10. So I need to provide 1 and need to provide 11 here. 11 here. So you can observe here I am providing 11. Sir, but I require up to 10 na. Why are you providing 11? This range will generate a sequence from starting till end, but this range does not provide the end data. That means if I said end is 11, that 11 is not generated by the range sequence. The, that 11 is not generated in the range sequence. So I want 1 till 10, so I'm using 1 to 11. So it will generate 1 to 10 values. So now if I print I value, then it will print 1, 2, where 10 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 to 10 got printed, sir. Now what I am expecting, sir? I am expecting this table, sir. Why do we need 1 to 10? So to print that, we have formatting. We have formatting in Python to print that. So let us write the table here. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. This is the normal statement. So now you can tell me based on the given input, what is my 5? That is nothing but the given number, right? Where I am storing? In n variable. So I need to use a flower braces. I need to use a flower braces to print data of the variable in formatted string in Python. In Python, if you use these type of formatting, then you can able to print it by using a braces. With clever braces, you can print the data of n in given string. So here what I want to print, sir? First I want to print 1, then 2, then 3, till 10 I need to print. Which variable holds the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sir? I variable. So what I need here? I here. So what is my result, sir? My result is nothing but n into I. That's it. So this is the code simply. We don't need to write 10 times the table. We just need to write this thing. That's it. Very simple. 3 lines of code. You want to try it? You want to execute in IDE? Yeah. We have to execute in IDE and let us check whether it is working or not. Here you can see I opened PyCharm IDE. So let us paste my code here. Simply I just copied and pasted my code here. Let us run and see whether my table is printing or not. Let me provide 5. You can see from 5 ones are 5 to 5 tens are 50. It was printed my table. Wow, what a wonder. I just printed my table by using Python code. Wow, it's so nice, right? To make it more better, let me write a print statement that enter a number. Enter a number to get multiplication table. So that's it. So let me run it. So it is asking me the number. Let me provide 10. So let me enter it. I'm getting 10 table. Wow. So in this way you can able to get any table by using Python code. Very simple. I'm using loop statement to print the same thing, the same statement multiple times, and to generate a range of sequence, what I used range function. To read the input, what I used input function. To convert the string input into integer, what I used int function. To print the data, what I used print function. That's it. Very simple. Who said coding is difficult? Very simple, nah? I hope this video is understanding to you. Just try it on your IDE or else online compiler. So I hope this video is understanding to you. If you think it is easy, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let us see you back in the next video of DSA series. Until then, bye bye.